Cinderella.
Cinderella lives in a house with her stepmother and her two stepsisters. Her stepmother is not good. She is bad. Every day she says, Cinderella, what's the dish? Cinderella, clean the house. Cinderella, what? Her stepmother is not good. She is bad. And one of Cinderella's stepsisters is fat with a big nose. The other one is thin with a big ears, and they don't like to work either.
Cinderella, come here.
Cinderella, I kick to the floor.
Cinderella, grab my shoes.
Cinderella, I kick the hair.
Cinderella is very beautiful and hardworking. She is good to her stepmother and to her stepsisters. One day they receive an invitation.
Mother, drink it.
What a pity. He says that every woman that invited to the ball. Oh, I want to go to the ball. I like to dance.
What they going to the ball?
You must be crazy. Yes, I want to go to the ball.
Cinderella works hard. She starts making the dresses for her stepmother and her stepsisters. She doesn't have time to make her own dress.
If you don't have a dress, you will not go to the ball. Cinderella starts to cry. I don't have a pretty dress. I don't have an ugly dress. I just want to go to the ball. What a shame. You pretty dress. Goodbye.
Suddenly, Cinderella sees a very beautiful woman. It's her fairy godmother.
Now you have a pretty dress.
Cinderella sees her dress and says,
Yes, I have a pretty dress. I just went to the ball. Who's remember that you come back of 12 o'clock? Don't forget. Yes, I won't forget. Goodbye. Cinderella goes to the ball. When she enters at the palace, everybody look at her.
what about the queen?
Who is she? The prince look at her and says,
I want to dance with her.
the prince goes where she is and says,
Do you want to dance with me?
Yes, I want to dance with you. And they dance all night. Suddenly, Cinderella hears the clock strike.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ding, 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 ding.
I have to go.
Cinderella runs and runs outside the palace, but she drops one of her shoes. The prince runs after her, but he doesn't see her.
Wait, what is your name? Where do you live? Wait. The prince picks up the shoe and says,
Where is she? I don't about anything. Her name. I anything about her. I am very sad.
Next morning, when the shoe wakes up, he says,
Is the pretty lady her shoe?
I have to find her. The prince goes to the town and look at her, and
Meanwhile, Cinderella is forming down the stairs and says,
Tarsho is mine. Ha ha ha.
Do a see.
Yes, Tarsho is mine. I have found the other one.
Suddenly she appears with her pretty dress, and once again she looks very beautiful.
I love you,